Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Up English. In today's lesson, you're going to learn 100 daily use English expressions that native speakers use all the time in real conversations. These phrases will help you sound more natural, more confident, and much more fluent in everyday English. Each phrase comes with simple meaning and real-life examples so you can start using them immediately in your speaking. Make sure to watch till the end because these phrases are super useful and will instantly improve your communication skills. Let's get started. 1. Greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Long time no see. Have a great day. 2. Polite expressions. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. That's okay. May I help you? Could you help me? I appreciate it. 3. At home. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Wake up. Hurry up. Let's eat. I'm cooking dinner. Clean your room. See you later. 4. At school or work. I'm on my way. I'm busy right now. I'll do it later. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. Please speak slowly. That's a good idea. I agree. I disagree. Let's begin. 5. Asking questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? How old are you? What time is it? Where is the restroom? How much is this? Can I ask you something? What happened? Why are you late? 6. Shopping. How much does it cost? It's too expensive. Do you have a smaller size? I'll take this one. Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Can I get a discount? I'm just looking. Where can I find this? Thank you for your help. 7. Traveling. Where is the bus stop? Which way is the station? I need a taxi. I'd like to book a room. Can you show me the way? Is it far from here? What time does it leave? I missed my bus. Have a safe trip. Welcome. 8. Everyday conversations. What's going on? What's up? Really? That's amazing. I think so. I don't think so. Of course. Maybe. I hope so. That's interesting. 9. Phone conversations. Can you hear me? I'll call you later. Please leave a message. Hold on a moment. The line is busy. I'll text you. Check your email. Talk to you soon. Goodbye. Have a nice day. 10 common expressions. Take care. Good luck. Congratulations. Don't worry. Never mind. It's my pleasure. That sounds great. I'm ready. See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Great job on completing today's lesson. Keep practicing these sentences every day until they become a natural part of your English. Remember, fluency comes from consistent practice, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe to Speak Up English for more practical English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning.